Well, it's my honor to introduce Dr. Sudip Parikh, who is SWHR's 2022 Health Education Visionary Award recipient. In 2020, he became the 19th Chief Executive Officer of the American Association for the Advancement of Science and is the executive publisher of the Science family of journals. Before joining SWHR, Dr. Parikh was Senior Vice President and Managing Director at DIA Global, where he oversaw programs that catalyzed progress globally towards novel regulatory frameworks for advancing therapies not amenable to existing regulations. Prior to DIA, Dr. Parikh was General Manager of the Health and Consumer Solutions Business Unit and Vice President at Battelle, where he was responsible for overseeing experts performing basic and applied research, developing medicines and healthcare devices, and creating advanced analytics and artificial intelligence from applications to improve human health. And as you saw from the video, from 2001 to 2009, Dr. Parikh served as a science advisor and professional staff to the U.S. Senate Appropriations Committee. Early in his career, Dr. Parikh was a presidential management intern at the NIH. He was also awarded a National Science Foundation Graduate Research Fellowship while earning his PhD in macromolecular structure and chemistry from Scripps Research Institute in La Jolla, California. He completed his undergraduate studies at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Please join me in congratulating Sudip and honoring his work expanding access to STEM education, strengthening and diversifying the science and technology workforce, and amplifying underrepresented and marginalized voices within STEM.
Thank you. You heard me talk a lot, so I'm not going to say too much. All I want to say is that, if we're going to have, well, first of all, let me thank SWHR and Katie Schubert for an extraordinary evening. Thank you. And let me congratulate my fellow awardees, Dr. Barfield and Pfizer. Terrific, amazing. I feel humbled to be up here. Let me say this, just one little thing, which is that if we're going to have clinical trials that have women in them, if we're going to have diagnostics that work for women, if we're going to have medicines that work for women, we have to have scientists at the table who are women. We have to have scientists. We have to have clinical researchers. Because it matters who designs clinical trials. It matters who analyzes data. It matters who's at the FDA. And so with that is the reason. That is what drives us at AAAS. It's what drives me. And I want to thank you all for your partnership and your collaboration for making that happen. Now, I have one little thing I have to do. You saw my two little girls up there. I want them to know that there are women scientists who are already doing this. And I have a feeling that there are women scientists in this room. So if you're a woman scientist, or if you're anything related to helping medicines get to the world, raise your hand for me. Okay. All right. Thank you, because this award really is for you and for all the people that were mentioned in that video. Thank you.